Purpose of your visit to the United States, ma'am?
I am here for a family get-together. My son just had his first baby.
Congratulations. And how long do you plan to stay with your son?
I will be staying for 6 months.
6 months? That is a very long family get-together.
It is my first grandchild. We have a big family event planned.
Do your son and his wife both work full-time?
Yes, my son is an architect and his wife is a corporate lawyer.
So, while they are at work, who will be taking care of the newborn baby?
I will be there at the house with the baby, of course.
Mrs. Elena, are you entering the U.S. to provide childcare for your son?
No, I am his mother. I am just helping my family.
Under U.S. immigration law, providing child care that replaces a paid U.S. worker is considered unauthorized work.
Work? No, they are not paying me. I am a mother.
Even if it is unpaid, doing a job that an American nanny would normally do is a violation of your tourist visa.
Please.
I am just a guest in their house.
If you are the primary caregiver while they work, I have to cancel your visa today.
No, officer. They already hired a professional day nurse.
A day nurse? Are you sure about that?
Yes, her name is Maria. She comes Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
And what will you be doing during those hours?
Resting, perhaps shopping, and enjoying my evenings with my family.
Why are you staying for 6 full months? Don't you have a life back home?
I am a successful interior designer. My firm in Barcelona is handling a major project that doesn't start for 8 months.
Why didn't your husband travel with you to see his grandchild?
He has a minor heart condition. He cannot take long flights.
Do you have a confirmed return ticket to go back to Barcelona?
Yes, I have my printed ticket for October 15th. Would you like to see it?
No, that won't be necessary. Just remember the rules, ma'am.
Thank you, officer. I know the rules now.